Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Hamwe kaunti ya Machakos hindi ya kiririkano kia Igathe, Sonko atetiritie ati no eguthii nambere kurutira wira wa ugavana muciini wake na ndakuhe mundu kanya ga kumwira uria egwika kana kuria ekurutira wira. Hari kwamura munini wa Ngavana Sonko augite no arahoya kirira mbere ya atuite itua riake, akiuga ona watho nduheanite ikinya riria riagirirwo gukinyukio bunge igiregana na mundu uria endekithitie.
It's not coming out clearly that in case a governor has appointed or nominated the name of his deputy and forwarded it to the speaker and the same is rejected, what is the way forward? So I think I have to go back to the Supreme Court and seek for further clarification on what is next.
Ashigie kuhahurwo gwa speaker wa kaunti ya Nairobi Sonko augite MCA ni kihoto kia umana tabrukagia kuringana na gatiba no akoiga wendereti ya kumuhagura ndingigia na umithio kuona gutiri undu ungituma hagurwo.
Mimi sitatishwa. I respect the MCAs of Nairobi City County. I respect their decision of impeaching the speaker. But the law is very clear here. The constitution is very clear. The County Government Act is very clear. You cannot, okay, they have a right of impeaching the governor, but what mistakes have I done?
Arenda ateti aria mari mucii wa Nairobi kumenya ndaragũagũa na akorwo ni makwenda matie no nginya mambe mamuhe gitio kiria kimwagiriire ta Ngavana. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.